Hi friends, welcome to the Secret Valentine Card Swap Collab. This collaboration is hosted by Crafty Sue 519 and Maria Reyes. We were tasked to create one Valentine Day card and send it to our swap partner. It was requested to be sure to just send an envelope, not a box full of goodies. Our hosts said that we could slip something into the card, but to just keep it flat mail. At the time of this recording, I do not know who my swap partner is. This video goes out, and everybody's videos go out before we know who our partners are. Once all of these videos roll out, then we will find out who our partners are, and then we should start receiving our Valentine Day cards from them. So this is the video I am creating showing how I made this card for my Secret Valentine. And then the next video I put out for this collaboration will be me opening the card from my swap partner. All of us will be posting our project shares on February 2nd, and then we will be doing the opening of our cards on February 14th. So for my base of this card, I am using a 12 by 12 piece of Valentine scrapbook paper. I cut it down to size, and then I folded it in such a way that it will have an inside pocket. In my stash, I have some Valentine's goodies, as you can see, and I just put a circular die cut with hearts around it. And now inside of that, I'm going to put a red heart with a gold rim around it. I'm going to add some heart trim right down the edge, and then I'm going to add a blingy heart inside of the red heart that's already on the card. I've got this little pocket on the inside that I want to add some items to, and I actually want to use up the rest of this 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper that I started with so that I don't have any scraps. So I have this We Are Memory Keepers punch, and it's a tag punch. So I'm going to go ahead and punch out as many tags as I can from this piece of scrapbook paper. Once I was done punching out the tags, there were a few small pieces left over, so I have grabbed my heart punch and I'm going to go ahead and punch out some hearts. Now I am using my corner rounder to round all of the corners of the tags that I punched out. This piece of paper is a scrap, and I've had it hanging around for a while, so I decided I'd go ahead and try to use it up. I am going to cut it a little bit smaller than the tags so that I can layer it on top of the tags. I'm going to ink the edges of the scrap piece with the candy hearts and also the tags. Now I'm adding glue, and I'm going to glue this layer onto the tag. Remember the hearts that I punched out? Well, I'm going to go around those with a red marker since I don't have red ink. When I'm finished with the outline, I'm going to glue those to the bottom right-hand corner of each tag. And to add one more layer, I'm going to add a blingy heart onto the center of the other hearts. I've stuffed those tags into the pocket, and now I need to create a space for my sentiment. I'm going to create layers here similar to how I did it on the tags. Now I'm going to write a little note to my Secret Valentine. I'm going to add some heart trim to the inside of the card as well. I'm going to grab some additional tags from my stash and pop those in the side pocket, and this card is ready. I also have a piece of vellum paper in my stash, and it has hearts on it. So I thought what I would do is turn that into an envelope for this card. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece, and the first thing I'm doing is cutting it so that the width is correct. Now I'm marking it so I can get the fold over correct. So on the front part, I'm going to mark it where I need to cut it off so that you can actually reach in and grab the card. And then the opposite end of it is going to end up getting creased and folded over to be the flap of the envelope. Vellum is a very interesting sort of thing to work with, and if you've ever used it, you'll notice that when you use glue on it, it wrinkles, and that's just because of the way that it's made. So for this envelope, I've decided to use these glue dots because tape and glue dots work pretty good on vellum and it doesn't cause it to curl. Now the moment of truth is coming to see if the card is going to fit in the envelope. And it does, so I feel pretty good about that. Now I think I want to go ahead and add some heart trim to the front of this envelope. Be sure to check out everybody's videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.